Today we're going to talk about how to get support and how to find help within Xero. So if you are in need of help or support from Xero, the way you would contact Xero is if you go to this question mark icon at the top. If you go down, you can see here that you can contact support. Click on that button, the support form will be will come up to you, and then you select the topic that you want to request support on. You enter the question, the detail, upload files. So here I would probably upload screenshots of what the issue is. Make sure you enter the organization and then send. What that then does is they would then receive it and they will usually get back to you within a day or so. Other important resources which you may find helpful are learning. So there's lots of different courses on Xero. These are all free. You can find lots of different things here. So if I type in bank, for example, here you can see all of the different bank topics within Xero. There's also a support function as well. So within centralxero.com, within support, there's lots of frequently asked questions and topics which you also may be able to find help on as well. Thank you very much.